You've got a puncture on the tyre here on the Gator. I think it's probably a fawn from the garden, but I can hear it. But I'm going to take it around to the hose, get it washed off, find where the hole is, to then take it down to the tyre place and get it professionally fixed. And obviously if it can't get fixed, get a new one. Tyre nice and cleaned off, so we can try and find this little puncture. Right. Can't hear it very easy. Put a little bit of soap on it. See if we can find it. Oh, right there by the looks of it. Put a bit of water on it. As you can see, where it bubbles, it's where the air's coming out. So it's just in here. So I mark that with a bit of chalk and then take it down the shop to get fixed. That's it, simple as that. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.